gosh. Oh my goodness. All right, well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is probably the most nerve-wracking, exciting, fun videos that I've ever filmed on my channel. So for some exciting news, I am going to be a part of Awesomeness TV's new show called Make It Up. So it's basically a makeup contest, and every single week there will be new challenges. There will be 4 challenges and there will be judges, everything. You guys can also head over to Awesomeness TV's YouTube channel. I will link it down below, and if you guys want to leave an emoji, this emoji right here, I chose a little crown just because my nickname, if you guys didn't know, is Arlyne the Queen. That's what a lot of my girlfriends call me, so I thought it was very fitting. If you guys want to leave that emoji on their videos down below, let them know that you guys are rooting for me, just a little encouragement. But yeah, I just thought it would be super fun to finally do something a little different, just take on this opportunity and just, like I'm telling you guys, do something way out of my comfort zone. So, like I said, let me move this mirror over. There will be 4 challenge videos. Today is the very first one. I'm so nervous and scared. Like, my box just came in, and basically, I'm just gonna unbox it, and I don't know, I think it's gonna like give me instructions, or I'm just supposed to like come up, there are themes, so I'm just supposed to come up with something fun. We shall see. This is my first time seeing like what's inside. I have no idea what's in this box. Opening it for the very first time. You guys, I'm so scared. I'm gonna be completely honest, I do not think I'm a pro makeup artist or anything, so I just thought, like I said, this would be like a fun challenge, something just different and out of my comfort zone, because I'm not used to doing things like this. I like to like stick in my bubble and do something that I feel comfortable with, so much so that like I'm drinking coffee just for like comfort, not because I really need it, but because it's like a little comfort thing. Okay, so I see pink tissue paper. What is inside? Little blending eggs, that's perfect. Okay, to do my makeup. What the? Am I gonna have to be doing my makeup, or is this just part of the theme? I really hope I'm not gonna have to do with my makeup with a mitt on. There's a mitt in here. What else? A box with more white tissue. Here we are. Ooh, oh shoot. Okay, this little palette says Chasing Rainbows, and it looks very rainbowish. Great Makeup Bake-Off. Okay, so it says, greetings contestants. This week's challenge is all about the pastels. Get ready to think outside the cake box because you don't need an oven to bake. Rules: create a playful pastel look inspired by your favorite sweet treats. You can apply skin prep, primers, foundation, and brows as you see fit, but you must wear oven mitts to finish the rest of your look when you do your eyes and lips. Yep, we're cranking up the heat. Oh my gosh, so I am gonna have to use this. Not necessarily for my face, but for everything else? Are you serious? I'm about to make a fool of myself. I have 4 things in here. I have a palette, illuminator, flower, setting powder, and a lip gloss. These are the things that I got to work with, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my face first, and then we're gonna like basically start the fun part. We got this, we got this. I don't know where I'm gonna go with this, but we got it. I'm just doing my everyday full coverage face makeup. Okay, my face is on. Moving on to the actual fun part where I put the oven mitt on. The rules did say to create a look inspired by your favorite treat. I'm thinking cotton candy. I love cotton candy, so I pulled up an image right here on my phone. This has a lot of blues and pinks, which is kind of what I thought, but I wanted to make sure I was heading like in the right direction. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Head for a lot of blues and pinks, do something kind of fun, but I think still like pretty and wearable. Oh my gosh, this is already harder than I'm like anticipating holding this already. Okay, I'm gonna start with the lightest nude color and put that all over my lid just to kind of see how hard or easy this is. So I got it on. Plus it's just gonna kind of give me a base. Okay, this isn't too bad. You guys, I think I got this. I think we're gonna do good. I hope I'm not getting too confident here. Got a good base. This isn't as bad as I thought. Okay, picking up a different brush. You know what? Picking up the brushes I feel like is even harder. I'm gonna go in with Woke, and this is gonna be my transition color. Woo! It's a really pretty pink. Oh my God, okay. I went in a little heavy. Okay. That blended out nicely. Let's continue blending for a while. That looks pretty. How does that look? How does that look? I think I know where I'm going with this. I think I got an idea. Okay, so then with this like purpley pink shimmery color right here, I'm gonna put that all over the lid. I'm a little scared. Okay, we're going in. We're going in. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Okay, I accidentally brought it up a little high. It's kind of hard with this mitt. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Since the cotton candy had a lot of blues and pinks, I'm gonna go into this like teal blue color here, and it's gonna be kind of like some of the outer color shade. If it looks really bad, then I could darken it up and just kind of smoke it out more. So that's where I'm heading with this, but I'm hoping that it just looks pretty. Holy moly. Okay, this is super pigmented. Holy mackerel. I'm gonna drag it in just a little bit and diffuse the two shades right here. Same thing on this side. I feel like it's looking like cotton candy. Okay, for under my eye, I'm gonna go in with that same pastel-y pinkish purple color. I'm gonna put that only in the middle, and then on the outer like corners kind of, I'm gonna do this teal, but it has more of a glitter as opposed to the one I just used to like smoke it out. So I'm gonna put this one in the middle. See then this other glittery teal blue here, or shimmery I should say. I'm gonna do on the outer third and then the inner third. Going back in with that purpley shade, adding more in the middle because I feel like I lost it a little bit. Let's also brighten up the eyes with this like white shimmery shade. I feel like it kind of reminds me of clouds. Anytime I think of cotton candy though, I think of like holding it up like against like a cloud, or like, you know, you're usually like outdoors eating it at like a festival or a carnival or something, so. Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna highlight my cheeks with it. Okay, this is making me look super tan, which is not a bad thing. A little bit down my nose. Okay, I don't see a particular rule saying that we're not allowed to use any of our own products, so I'm gonna use a few of my own things. I hope that's allowed, because there wasn't like any liner and stuff in here, so I do have a few other fun products that I want to use where this looks. So I am gonna apply black liner. Winging this out is gonna be hard. I need to make sure I got a good little grip on it. Shoot. This is so hard. Oh my gosh, I just screwed it all up. Oh my gosh. I just like almost ruined this whole look. This is so much harder than I thought. Oh no. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we've got a crazy wing going on, you guys. Oh my gosh, I really need a little encouragement right about now, because I am starting to get down on myself there. I risked it with this liner and it's not exactly paying off. Okay, this one isn't too bad. Okay, for the fun part, I found this blue teal glitter also that matches like the teal that I got going on, and put it right over that black. We might, you know what? We might be able to come back from this. You guys think we can come back from this? I am living for this look. Okay, I think that looks really pretty. My camera died, but let's finish up the look. For my lips, I thought I wanted to do, ooh, that looks so pretty. I thought I wanted to do like a color on there, but I think I got too much going on my eyes, so. Just putting like a lip gloss on like this, I feel like it looks so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and add lashes and mascara. I was gonna make sure I coat my bottom lashes while the glue dries. I did get a little bit of mascara there, but I'm gonna wait for that to dry and then I'll flake it off with a little Q-tip. You guys wish me luck putting the lashes on. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be a disaster. This is gonna be a disaster. Okay, I think I did okay. Same thing on the next eye. Wish me luck over here too, that I don't poke an eyeball out or, you know. Alright you guys, that completes the look. I did go ahead and change my top to kind of go with the theme. Okay, when I'm looking at my eyes, literally what comes to mind is cotton candy. So hopefully you guys got that vibe. Let me know how you think I did. I'm hoping you guys think I did okay, especially for the first challenge. That was like, I had no idea this was gonna be involved. I thought it was just gonna be a normal box of stuff. Of course, the oven mitt had to be thrown in there. Make sure you guys go check out Awesomeness TV's YouTube channel. I will link it down below because all of the judging and everything will be there, so you guys can go follow my whole journey there, and also make sure you guys comment my emoji on that video because you guys, I'm gonna need it. Like, I can't believe I'm putting myself out there like this to be judged and this challenge and everything. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, turn on post notifications. That's it. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next challenge next week.